accurate pips, LITE, LITE, okay, because it's going to be very simple to understand and very straight to the point, where you understand how to make your entries, how to make your bias, and also when to take trade and when not to take trade. That is, I mean, to say specific times of days to take trades and specific times of days to ignore the market, even if you see the setup, once it is not aligning with the time, okay? So we'll be learning two different things. We'll be focusing on time alignment and then price alignment. Now, I am not teaching strategy. I want to correct this thing before even we start classes this year. All right. So always we are doing my strategy, this strategy, that strategy, and no, I want to correct that concept or misconception in the market. Okay. Everything that we are learning is a concept. Okay. Everything we are learning about the market is a concept. It's not a strategy, because these are profiles or behaviors of the market that we are looking at. Okay. The market profile, the market behavior, the market characteristic that we are looking at. Therefore, you don't assume it as a strategy, but rather you assume it based on the concept that it is giving you. All right. So this is why most people are failing in the Forex business. Why? Because they see everything as a strategy. Therefore, they are looking for a holy grail strategy or 100% winning strategy, which is not possible. All right. It's not possible. There's nothing like 100% winning strategy. Okay? Even if you learn from the best of best in the world of trading don't even have 100% winning rate. Okay, that mentality of us that we don't have to lose a trade. No, you lose some trades. That one is inevitable. You lose some trades, but then your understanding of the market concept, okay, will allow you to be able to minimize your losses against your wins. So your wins becomes more than your losses, hence making it possible for you to do what? To be profitable in the market. So this year, we are going to be focusing more on understanding the concept, understanding the profile of the market, and then how to make things simple for yourself so that everything you are trading in the market is based on the concept. Now, when it comes to strategy, let me now talk about that. When it comes to strategy, that is when you as a person comes in. How you plan your trading is the strategy. Okay, how you plan trading is the strategy, but not what we are teaching, like your other blocks, your zone of interest or point of interest or liquidity or inducement, and those are not strategy, they are concepts of the market. Okay, they are concepts, they are makeups of the market. So the market makers follow these concepts. Now, you see, some of you, once you learn 1, 2 thing and you win 2 trades, 3 trades, and you make more money, you think you don't need to learn again. No, knowledge doesn't stop. Knowledge doesn't stop. You must always learn. Why? Because the concepts in the market are a lot. So when you learn more, you understand more concepts about the market. So if, let's say, you plot a support and resistance level and the trade fails today, you understand why it failed, because you understand other concepts. But if you only understand the concept of supply, support and resistance, or supply and demand, or other blocks, breaker blocks, rejection blocks, whatever terms they use for them, if you only understand those concepts, if a trade fails, you think, oh, that is this one, the market manipulation. No, the concepts and the dynamics of the market are a lot. You just need to learn. But all those things could be summarized into a simpler concept where you can summarize things you yourself want to see in the market before you make a trading decision. So this year we are going to be very focus. We're going to be having foresight in the market. And then most importantly, we are going to be patient and disciplined. In addition, we will be consistent with the chart. All right. So that is it. Now, there will be a lot of changes with how I interact with you guys on social media, that Telegram or WhatsApp, this year going forward. I'm a little bit off when it comes to the use of social media. That's why if you guys see there is a lack of my activity from me on social media. I'm not the type who is into social media like that. Okay. But then I'll try my best this year to interact more with you guys on social media, like Telegram and WhatsApp. I've actually left you guys to yourselves too much. Don't blame me. I'm an introvert. So yeah, that is what happens when it comes to us. You know, we are to ourselves. We can come to social media, read your comments and those things, but to contribute and that most of the time is a problem for us. But then I promise this year I'm changing. I want to see if I can have more of an extrovert character or behavior added to myself. So guys, here once more, I wish you the best trading, more pips this year, more wins for us. Those of you that send me screenshots, messages of your achievements, those of you that bought your cars, those of you bought lands, started building, and all. Yes, I have received your testimonies, though I don't post testimonies and go on the page and those stuff, but I've received all your testimonies. It's great. You guys are doing well. Those of you have opened your communities and have even added me on your various community pages and doing tremendously well with your community. I'm just happy to see you make progress. And this year, you will do greater things than the previous years. Please, though I'm uploading all lessons on YouTube, it doesn't mean the information I'm giving you is like toil. Let me put it that way, or like it's insignificant though. Also, I'm giving you deep things. Those of you who have followed me for so long know that the things I teach you, people will pay for the same things. And then later the guy will say, Prof, the thing you taught me, I thought is just surface. So I went to pay. Even the person that I paid for didn't even go deeper. Like, yes, that is me. Mostly, I'm not interested in charging you guys or your money and those stuff. All I like is I find joy in giving knowledge to people. That's one thing about me. But if the time can, I realize you guys are not taking it serious. That's where sometimes I try to change my tactics. But this year, I hope you guys will take it serious. Because if you don't take it serious, if this year I see that you guys are playing with the information, it will be the last time I'll give out deep information for free. So you guys take it serious. And then you see, with the date will come out very soon. I don't know whether we'll start this January or in February. So either in January or in February, but I'll bring out the date later on. Stay blessed, everybody.